Here's a video of the machine, and I'm going to make a long black, but I'm not going to do the coffee bit. I'm just going to go straight to the hot water. So I'm going to select long black. I'm going to go hot water. Okay, so this is hot water coming out of the DeLonghi machine. We'll just let the water build up a little bit. That's the temperature at the moment from the device. If I put that in there, we can see I'm immediately going up to what I would class as reasonably hot water. So 72, 78, that's okay. You can see the steam coming off it.